bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Yes, I didn't go crazy today. I actually had a few things written down, but then they were not in my favor. They were not on sale, and I'm like, but I will definitely shoot out, or I will look for more deals for you guys. But here I am here to share with you guys what I get. I'm hoping you guys can all get deodorant wasted. I'm just letting you guys know on that. But the deals that I got are Cocoa Pebbles. My store was sold out of Fruity Pebbles, which I'm like, man, I was kind of craving the Fruity Pebbles, but that's okay. I actually love Cocoa Pebbles. If you guys don't know me, I love cereal. I have cereal all the time. I just love it. So these were $1.88 a piece. There is a $1 off of 2 coupon that you guys can print off of the grocery network or something like that. I just go to lozo.com, so lazo.com. I type in post, and it'll take me directly to the website where you guys can print these off at. They ask for like you to sign up, like whatever, but because they only limit you so much, but there's ways around that. So you guys would want to use that $1 off of 2 coupon. You guys would just pay $2.76 for these, or $1.38 a box, which could be a decent deal. I mean, I think anything like around $1-ish would be a great deal, so I cannot pass up cereal. I love it. I love cereal. An easy freebie for you guys this week is Trolley Candy. These are $1.50. You guys would pay $1.50 for this, but then you guys get a $1.50 register reward. Now, if you guys want to do this deal again, you can. Just make sure to only buy it in 1 transaction. So if you want to do 5 transactions of these, go for it. You guys cannot use that register reward that you got for this for another transaction. But if you guys want to pay in points, you guys can. So let's say this is $1.50. You guys can actually pay $1 in a register, or you guys can pay $1 in points, and then you just pay, you know, 50-something cents plus tax. So there's that. But do not use the register reward for this deal. So I ended up doing 2 separate transactions because I get these for work. The guys at work just love these. So again, $1.50. You guys would pay $1.50, but then you guys will get a $1.50 register reward. I left it upstairs, and you guys will get these absolutely for free, and we love that deal. I'm definitely gonna stock up on more of these. I love this deal. And if you guys are not sure what are on sale, you know, sometimes the stores don't mark that stuff. It's like, I don't know if they're just not purposely doing it or not. I had something and I lost it. I don't know what I did with it. But yes, I wanted to bring those to work, so I'm just putting that in my little bag of goodies. I'm just losing everything today, you guys. It was a nice day today. Okay, whatever. The next deal we got, I know I got a wide variety of stuff, is Beggin Strips. Now these are, I got with bacon and cheese flavor, and then I got original with bacon. So I'm planning on doing a extreme donating to extreme couponing video for pets. You guys will have to stay tuned. That is coming the 5th. The Saturday? Yeah, this Saturday. So I wanted to stack up on a bunch of these to give away. So definitely stay tuned for that video, but I have more of these coupons. I'm probably gonna get a bunch of these. So these were $3.49. You guys want to use that buy one get one free coupon that we just got in today's paper. I never get those coupons, so when I saw them, I was super excited to get those coupons. So had to get these up. So these, you use that buy one get one free coupon. It is in the Smart Source. You guys would just get both of these for $3.49 or $1.75. I don't know if that's a great deal. I am going to check out the prices at Target and Walmart and see if it's out a little bit cheaper. But this you guys can pay with, you know, points, so it ends up coming free anyways. So definitely a great deal for your dogs if you guys really enjoy treats. Or you can always give those to the animal shelter. I know. I didn't get very much today. It's kind of sad. I ended up getting this Speed Stick deodorant. Now, my store did not have the ladies' Speed Stick. They said it was sold out. I looked everywhere for it. There was not even a sign for it. So I gotta like look ahead of time. I'm also gonna make a video showing you guys how to look up stock on Walgreens.com website. Because there are times where like, I don't know if my store has it, and some of you guys live further away. So there's always a way you guys can check it online. So I'm definitely going to show you guys how to do that. I have a lot of videos I want to do, share with you guys, update, just to help everybody out so we're all on the same team of saving money. So I hope you guys can all get Speed Stick wasted this week. This is a great, great deal. Some of you guys might have this cheaper, but my store had this for $3.19, okay? It's buy one, get one 50% off. If your guys' store has it for $2.99, go for it. But my store had it for $3.19. I used two 50-cent off coupons that we got in today's Smart Source. You guys would just pay $3.78 for both of these. But then you guys will end up getting 3,000 points back for every two that you buy. And yes, you guys can pay with points and you will get points. And you can do this deal as much as you want. If you guys want to buy 4 of the men's Speed Stick and 4 of the ladies Speed Stick, you can do that. You can pay with points and you will get points back. Plus, these count as beauty. So that is a win-win situation for that. So you guys will get both of these for just 78 cents or 39 cents a piece. I think that is a great, great deal. I am going to get Speed Stick wasted. Why does this feel loose all of a sudden? Oh, the cover went flying. Yeah, that's okay. My husband likes wearing this one. So I gotta go get the cover for that. But can't go wrong with that. And I cannot wait to get more of the ladies Speed Stick. I got some other deodorants, but I don't have a lot of the ladies Speed Stick. And here is an awesome, awesome, awesome deal that you guys have. I have 10 of these coupons, so I'm going to go crazy with these coupons because I can. So, the Eminems, yes! These are 2 for $5, so they're $2.50 a piece, okay? Now, last week we got those $1 off of 1 coupons, okay? $1 off of 1, anything I think 8 ounces or more, and these are 8 ounces. So you guys want to use that coupon. Plus, there is $1 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you end up getting both of these for $2 a piece, or $2 or just $1 a piece, which I think is a great, great deal. I mean, you can get a smaller bag more than that. So $1 a piece, you can't go wrong with that. So I'm definitely going to get M&M wasted because I can. So I had to share with you guys on that deal. But that was my haul. It wasn't a big haul. Like I said, I'm going to try to find more deals for you guys. My store was out of the toothbrushes, which is not a big deal. This is the last week for toothbrushes, so if you guys still can get those, go for it. I'm also going to try to get you guys the Walgreens booklet preview for next week. Last month, or this month or whatever, my store accidentally threw them away, so that's why I didn't do a preview. But once I get that book, I'm going to share with you guys what is all coming up so you guys can look for those deals. But yes, stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for more Walgreens, like, helpful videos. I'm here to share with you guys more and more deals as possible. But let's just see what I paid for everything. Now, please keep in mind, I do get an employee discount. I know a lot of you guys, some of you guys are employees that follow my deals, and some of you guys just like to see how much I pay for everything. But my husband works for the company, so there is that. So my total ended up coming to $9.74. Now, one of you guys one time said is, why don't I ever mention if I pay with points? Because everybody's points are different. Some of you guys have points, some of you guys don't. I have quite a few points, but I've already had somebody, you know, hack into my points and steal a bunch of my money. So I don't really show you guys what I got for information on that because it sucks. It sucks. I've had somebody for 9 months stealing my points. 9 months. And I watch my points like a hawk because when somebody else that lives hours and hours away keeps using your points and has apparently the same name as you, you're going to do something about it. So, yes. So I ended up paying $9.74, and that I might have paid with points, but yeah. I ended up getting 3,000 points back. That was because it was the speed stick that gave me points. Plus, I got a $1.50 register reward. Now, I did play with that other register. I did buy that other trolley in a different transaction. But I'm not going to count that because you guys know what $1.50 is. So, yeah. But I ended up getting everything for $5.24. That comes out to be 9 items for 58 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. I mean, I'm super excited for the Eminems. And I'm also super excited to stock up on deodorant. I know there's a lot of people doing like 2 different coupons for the Eminems. Don't do that. You're not supposed to do that. It's like cheating the system. Yes, they'll scan, but just don't do that. But I hope you guys enjoyed my small Walgreens haul. I will be definitely showing you guys a second haul, and be prepared. I'm going to get M&M wasted and Speed Stick wasted, and I'm going to try to find you guys a lot more deals than what I did. But you guys know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I love to share with you guys breakdowns on videos, and be prepared for a lot more informational videos on everything there is to know about couponing, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!